Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can virtual press the on-screen action button on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, go all the way back to the main settings screen, and in here we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, go down and then tap on touch. Then tap on assistive touch. Now make sure assistive touch is switched on, so tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Then swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now whenever you need to use the action button, you can tap on the assistive touch button here, then tap on device, and then tap on action button. Now at the moment, my action button has been set to switch on or switch off silent mode. So you can see if I press on it, it will toggle between silent mode and ringtone. And I can also do a virtual press of the action button here. And that's it. So I can switch on or switch off silent mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.